Hi, in this video we will learn about Excel delete cell. In the last video we have learned about how to add cell in our Excel sheet. If you have not gone through with my last video, I will provide the link in the description box so you can go through with that. So let's start. Delete cells. Cell can be deleted by selecting them and pressing the delete button. Note: the delete function will not delete the formatting of the cell, just the value inside of it. Let's have a look at three example pressing the delete button. So first let's go through with the practical. Right now I have some data over there, so what I will do, I will select this data. Now data is selected and I will press delete keyword from my keyboard. So now you can see my data is deleted from the sheet. Again I will do Ctrl plus Z, so you can see my data is came there. Now if I want to delete some specific record, if I don't want row number 3, so what I will do, I will just go to row number 3 and I will right click over there and I will click on the delete button. So now you can see my that Vijay data is deleted from 3 row and Vinay is came on the row number 3. So that's how we can delete a specific record from our Excel sheet, and similarly we can delete specific column also from our Excel sheet. So if I want to delete that column C, so what I will do, I will right click on the C column and I will click on the delete button. So now you can see my previous data, C column data is gone from my Excel sheet. Now I am entering one new record here, Jay Kumar 22. Now let's give some format here. I am giving it bold. I am providing background color and I am providing font Times New Roman. Jay Kumar, and let's provide content in the middle of the cell. So now what I will do, I will select this row and I will press delete button from my keyboard. So right now you can see I have pressed delete button and after that data is deleted, but format is also there, already there. Format is not deleted right now. So if I press another data here, if I provide Vicky Raj, so you can see my Vicky Raj is coming in Times in Roman and it's now in a bold. So now I am entering again one data, so previous format is coming there. So you can check it out by practical. Format is not deleted, only data is deleted after pressing the delete button. So let's go through with the PPT. Now in the first row of the picture you can see letter is there, delete me. If we press delete button from our keyboard, so data will be deleted in the first row. In the second row images, in the first image there is a number 2. If we press delete button from the keyboard, the data will delete. In the row 3 first image, delete me, and with a yellow background is there, if we click on the delete button, so what happened, data is deleted but format is not deleted, means background color is still there. So format is not going to delete if we press delete button from the keyboard. Thank you. Have a good day.